So this is our Manhattan short wheelbase side kitchen layout. We've got our double hob and sink as standard in these models. This one we've set out in kind of a range of standard colours, kind of generally acceptable to everybody, but we have these very nice seats at the back here, which are a mixture of faux leather and plaid. Standard features include our 50-litre fridge with freezer compartment, lovely control panel, the side kitchen layout, the rock and roll bed, which towards me. There we go. Nice and easy. Thermostat setting there, 4 light switches, battery monitor, USB and 12-volt socket. 3-point plugs there, which are mirrored over on this side here. These mesh vents on the sides for airflow, and also mosquito-proof netting there. So one on either side, and in the front area here, this wonderful panoramic PVC opening.